In this video number 198, let us learn the past conditional. And this is video number 198, which means we have traveled together a long way and there's enough resources for you to learn Tamil on your own. Now to explain past conditional. The past conditional describes a past situation that never happened, or it did happen and the person speaking is describing the possibility of something not happening in the past. This is also called the past unreal or past contrary to fact. How do you like this? This is not my thing. This grammar thing really intimidates me, so let us go back to our simple method as always. If you had asked, I would have helped you. This is what we are going to see today. If would have. So one action is based on the condition of the other. If I had called her, she would have come. I hope you get it now. This is what we are going to see today. And when you learn these advanced grammars, you can feel proud that you're marching towards advanced levels of learning, towards a native level. Let us see the construction now in its skeleton form. For the first person singular, I, na. For the if part, we have to use the verb and irunda, if something has happened. And for the would have part, we use the whatever verb and iruppen. You can take a screenshot of this so that you can refer to this whenever you want. The first person irunda stays the same for all the personal pronoun, whereas it's the second part that changes. And if you look at it, this is a formula that you already know. It is the conjugation form of future for the verb irukka. Therefore, it is the verb plus irukka conjugated to future according to the personal pronoun. Iruppa, iruppa, iruppan, iruppa, irukum, iruppom, iruppinga, iruppanga. You can always go to the future tense lesson, one of our previous video, and you can have a rehash there. If you want, I can also give the link in the description. If you had asked, I would have done. நீங்க கேட்டிருந்தா நான் பண்ணியிருப்பேன். The verb is கேட்க, to ask or request, and that becomes கேட்டு and இருந்தா, and that becomes கேட்டிருந்தா as you speak. And பண்ண is to do, and that becomes பண்ணியிருப்பேன். பண்ண and இருப்பேன் becomes பண்ணியிருப்பேன் as a one word. நீங்க கேட்டிருந்தா நான் பண்ணியிருப்பேன். நீங்க கேட்டிருந்தா நான் பண்ணியிருப்பேன். Now let us see two verbs, tell and send. Tell, சொல்ல, send, அனுப்ப. If he had told clearly, we would have surely sent the car. Maybe he came by walk with heavy luggages and there was no public transport on that day. So, அவன் சரியா சொல்லியிருந்தா நாங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக கார் அனுப்பியிருப்போம். If he had told clearly, we would have definitely sent the car. அவன் சரியா சொல்லியிருந்தா நாங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக கார் அனுப்பியிருப்போம். அவன் சரியா சொல்லியிருந்தா நாங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக கார் அனுப்பியிருப்போம். To be, இருக்க, to reach, போய் சேர. If the road has been proper or good, the bus would have reached by now. ரோடு ஒழுங்கா இருந்திருந்தா இந்நேரம் பஸ் போய் சேர்ந்திருக்கும். You can also say road ஒழுங்கா இருந்தா இந்நேரம் பஸ் போய் சேர்ந்திருக்கும். If the road is good, the bus would have reached by now. This is making it further simple. ரோடு ஒழுங்கா இருந்திருந்தா இந்நேரம் பஸ் போய் சேர்ந்திருக்கும். ரோடு ஒழுங்கா இருந்திருந்தா இந்நேரம் பஸ் போய் சேர்ந்திருக்கும். The next one is to stay, தங்க, வற்புறுத்த, to insist. Now we are reversing the order of the sentence. We would have stayed had he really insisted, or if only he had insisted. நாங்க தங்கியிருப்போம், அவன் மட்டும் வற்புறுத்திருந்தா. நாங்க தங்கியிருப்போம், அவன் மட்டும் வற்புறுத்திருந்தா. நாங்க தங்கியிருப்போம், அவன் மட்டும் வற்புறுத்திருந்தா. I am saying each of the phrases a couple of times slowly for you to listen and also for you to follow. Just speak it out so it becomes easy. Just even once or twice when you say this aloud, it just becomes so easy and natural to you. நாங்க தங்கியிருப்போம், அவன் மட்டும் வற்புறுத்திருந்தா. நாங்க தங்கியிருப்போம், அவன் மட்டும் வற்புறுத்திருந்தா. To help, உதவ. To come up, மேலே வர. If you had helped, he would have come up. So this is not about coming up from down to first floor, it is about in life. Metaphor. நீங்க கொஞ்சம் உதவி இருந்தா அவர் மேலே வந்திருப்பார். 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 ப்ளீஸ் ட்ரை சேயிங் தட். நீங்க கொஞ்சம் உதவி இருந்தா அவர் மேலே வந்திருப்பார். Besides, there's also another style of phrasing which is a little more lengthy. So instead of saying, if you had come, we would have stayed. There's an old school version. Had you have come, we would have had stayed. That's a little difficult, but we have a similar one in Tamil, but we use it often because it's not as difficult as in English. But we can see that in one of the later lessons, and I'll link back this video when we learn that. So as you progress, you can easily make all those compound sentences yourselves, and it just rolls out of your mouth, out of your tongue. So do not worry, you're getting there. And as a finishing bit, I'm giving you 3 simple phrases. You can do all the 3, or just 2, or just even 1. These exercises are like muscle building. It makes your learning effective. So here are the 3 you can try. Make mistakes, no problem. In fact, making mistakes is super perfect for your learning. You can make your translation in the comment section. If you can ideally try both the script. But do not stress. Go slow, go easy. All the best with your Tamil learning. So have you been checking the Instagram channel Learn Speak Tamil? You can learn a lot of such phrases daily that can make you fluent in Tamil. All the best. Vanakkam.